February is almost done, another month of collected dividends. In this video we're going to go through my February dividend payments. My name is Alex and this is my Dividend Income channel. My current dividend portfolio stands at $33,444.36. It's a minor increase of just 0.6% from January's portfolio. It has actually dropped $600 in value over the last week. Not that that matters of course, as I have no intention of selling and this is the current value on paper. In the month of February, my portfolio had 11 stocks that paid dividends. First up is ABBVie, ticker symbol ABBV. The dividend payment was for $2.96 from a total of 2 shares, paying a dividend of $1.48 each. The dividend payment was paid on February 15th. The next dividend payment is 15th of May, and the ex-dividend date cutoff is the 13th of April. The yield is currently at 3.76%. It has had a 52-week high of $175.91 and low of $134. I wish I'd bought more when it was down. I have an average buy price of $138. If it drops to this level again, I'm buying. Patience is key, although analysts have a 12-month price target of $163, which is 7.38% upside. Next up is Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. The dividend payment was for $4.83 from a total of 21 shares, paying a dividend of 23 cents. Dividend payment was paid on February 16th. Next dividend payment is 18th of May, and the ex-dividend date cutoff is the 12th of May. The yield is currently at 0.62%. It has had a 52-week high of $179.61 with a low of $124. The price has been beaten down a lot lately. Analysts have a 12-month price target of $171.94. which is a big 17.42% upside, just below the 52-week high. I would love to buy more shares in this, but I've been building up other positions. Next up is AT&T, ticker symbol T. Dividend payment was for $13.32 from a total of 48 shares, paying just over 27 cents a share. Dividend payment was on February 1st. Next is May 1st, and the ex-dividend date cutoff is April 6th. The current yield is 5.73%. Not much movement in the stock so far this year. It has a 52-week high of $21.53 and a low of $14.46. I have still no intention to load up. I want to see some big improvements in the financials, especially after Intel cut its dividend, seemingly out of nowhere, after specifically promising that the dividend was safe. Analysts only have a 12-month price target of $21.82, which is 13% upside from where we are today. If it hits that, I may consider cashing out. I have an average buy price of $19, so at least can make a small profit. Next up is Citigroup, ticker symbol C. Dividend payment was for $28.05 from a total of 55 shares, just paying over 51 cents a share. The dividend payment was on February 24th. Next dividend payment is on May 26th, and the ex-dividend cutoff is April 28th. The yield is currently at 4.08%. It has a 52-week high of 62.89 with a low of 40. I have an average buy price of 46, so we'll buy more if it drops to that level. Unless I have a 12-month price target of 57.40, which is 14.66% upside from where we are today. Next up is Procter & Gamble, ticker symbol PG. Dividend payment was for $9.13 from a total of 10 shares, paying a dividend of just over 91 cents. The dividend payment was on February 15th. Next dividend payment, May 15th, and the ex-dividend date cutoff is April 20th. The yield is currently 2.6%. It has had a 52-week high of $164.90 with a low of $122.18. I will be buying some more over the next few months, unless I have a 12-month price target of $157.91, which is 13.58% upside. Next up is Starbucks, ticker symbol SBUX. The dividend payment was for $10.60 from a total of 20 shares, paying a dividend of just over 53 cents. The dividend payment was February 24th. The next dividend payment is May 26th, and the ex-cutoff is May 11th. The yield is currently 1.87%. It has had a 52-week high of $110.83 with a low of $68.39. And I have an average price target of $114.50, which is 13.49% upside. Next up is Verizon, ticker symbol VZ. The dividend payment was for $3.26 from a total of 5 shares, paying a dividend of just over 65 cents. Dividend payment was on February 1st. Next dividend payment is May 1st, and the ex-dividend date cutoff is April 6th. The yield is currently 6.71%. It has a 52-week high of 55.51 and a low of 34.55. Analysts have a 12-month price target of $46.50, which is 20.87% upside from where we are today. It would be nice to see it move up in that direction. Next, I will quickly fly through my monthly payers. JPMorgan ETF, ticker symbol JEPI. The dividend payment was for $24.38 from a total of 42 shares. Due to regulations, I cannot buy any more shares through my UK trading platform. I've spoken about this in a previous video. Hopefully restrictions will be lifted in the future. Next up is Main Street Capital Corporation, ticker symbol MAIN. Dividend payment was for $11.25 from a total of 50 shares, paying just over 22 cents a share. I have picked up some more shares this month and will continue to do so. Next up is Realty Income, ticker symbol O. Dividend payment was for $7.70 from a total of 31 shares, paying a dividend of just over 24 cents each. Again, still buying this. Next up is STAG Industrial, ticker symbol STAG. The dividend payment was for 49 cents from a total of 4 shares, paying just over 12 cents each. I have purchased some more this month and I will continue to do so. This takes the total month to $115.97 and the total for the year at $202.01. If we can compare it to the last year, we can really see the progress. I'm already nearly halfway to the dividends I received in 2022, and if we compare it on a monthly basis, it has been an explosive start to the year in terms of growth. March looks like it'll be another strong month. Long may this continue. As always, thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.